To improve a battery life on OnePlus 13, first let's open our settings on this device. Then we should be able to find the display and brightness options, and here you will find a few options that can help you maintain battery on your device. First thing is a light and dark mode. If you want to preserve battery, make sure to choose a dark mode. If you want you can also change the brightness. The lower it is, the less battery is consumed. Then we can scroll down looking for the things like image sharpener, video color boost. I would recommend to disable them as they may consume a bit of a battery. Then there's the screen resolution, and right here, if you want to preserve battery, I recommend to go for a standard or auto select. If you choose high one, then it will consume much more battery. And there's also screen refresh rate, which I recommend to go for standard or also auto select, as the high option also consumes a lot of battery. Now let's open our quick access settings. You can do it by swiping your finger from top of the screen, swipe down again, and that way you'll be able to find the different icons that you can turn on and off. So I recommend to disable something like location. Also you can disable device controls, and then there's the wallets that you can also turn off. Basically anything here that may consume a battery. The NFC or maybe do not disturb mode doesn't consume a lot of battery, so I would just leave them on, but things like location, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth are consuming it. So we have that established, and now we can move to the about device information, and inside you'll be able to find the RAM memory. And if you want to consume less battery, I recommend to turn off RAM expansion and do not expand it by any chance, which will also grant you more battery life on your phone. And that is basically everything.